Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with UFO. How you doing today? Hey, as you can tell, I'm a little bit of a nerd. These are my pop figures. That's right, I said my pop Funko figures. Venom's my boy. I got more over there, but whatever. Anyway, hey, I got some plowing footage for you to watch. A little bit of live snow blowing, no music, and a big announcement at the end of the video. So stick around, check out the end of this video. Don't skip through to the end, just watch the whole video. Hey, like and subscribe. All right, YouTube, play my intro.
Lonely, sad and blue. Ain't got no love and shoulders to lean on. There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go cross the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side. Lost in the city lights, ain't got nowhere to turn your winding wheels. There's always the sunny side.
So here's the rest of them right here. But hey, here's the announcement that you've been waiting for. It's actually, this next bit was recorded for my Mowers For Vets channel, or for the Mowers For Vet channel. Here's the announcement. Check it out, and I'll be back to talk to you wearing the same sweater I'm wearing right now and in the next video. Hey everyone, it's Floyd with Mowers For Vets. How you doing today? Hey, got a big announcement for you guys. I want to get this put out today, so I'm making this quick video here at my desk. So we are doing 2 fundraisers coming up. The first one will be February 6th on DLT Lawn Care's channel. That's Shane, if you don't know who he is. We are going to put that out, well, we're going to do it live on February 6th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So go check his channel out, like, subscribe to it so you get that notification, hit that bell. And also I'll put a link in the description below so you can go find his channel easy. And also the following weekend, the weekend after the 6th, now I already forgot the date, so I guess, you know what, 7 days after the 6th is what, oh my god, simple math, right? The 13th, don't judge me. The 13th, we're going to do another fundraiser on UFO's channel. That's my other channel, Ulnar Floyd Outdoors. And it's basically, you know, the heart and soul is lawn care, but we do a lot of stuff on that channel, which if you watched my last video on here, you already know that. But anyway, we're going to do a fundraiser on that channel also. I would like to, you know, get as much as we can. We gave away 3 lawnmowers last year. I would like to double that this year, at least give away 6. These won't be the only 2 fundraisers we're doing this year. This just happens to be the first one for the year. I go with Shane at DLT. Shane's been a big supporter of mine with this Mowers For Vets since day one. So I kind of, you know, I appreciate everything he does for me. But anyway, if you are watching this and you're a bigger channel, as you can see, I'm not a big channel. Mowers For Vets not a big channel. Even UFO, my other channel, is not that big of a channel. But if you're one of those bigger channels out there and you'd like to do a fundraiser for me, just hit me up on Instagram or message me here. Mowers For Vets does have an Instagram page. You can check it out. It's under Mowers For Vets. And hit me up and let me know. And I'm more than willing to pop over and do one with you. It helps us out tremendously. There's a lot more that goes behind the scenes in running a business nonprofit than just buying mowers and giving them away. There's a lot of legal costs and stuff like that, and you know, the money, I stretch it as far as I can. We do have board members, Rob from True Allegiance Flag Company, my buddy Brent Anderson, who's a local here, and Neil Cruz from Grasshopper Cruise Channel. He's also on it. They're board members. So I talk to Neil a lot, Rob and Brent. I talk to Brent like every other day, and Rob once in a while, but we do have board members. So we are legit. Just, hey, share this out, tell your friends. Go check out those links below to my channel and Shane, so you can like and subscribe to them and be present for our fundraisers. Anything you guys can do helps. And if you want to just donate whenever you can, the PayPal link is posted somewhere on this YouTube channel. I'm still figuring this stuff out. It's on there, I know it is. And I'll put it in the link below too. I'll make it part of my standard comments. Good idea. Wow. Alright, Floyd, see you on the 6th. Alright, hey, you heard it. The link's below. I'll put it in this video too for both of, well, you already have my channel, but I'll put it in for Shane's channel. Go check it out, man. We'll see you on the 6th. Hey, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. It's Floyd. I'm out of here.